Welcome to this platform for Sensor Academy, either the YouTube channel or the Facebook page. If you are watching this on YouTube and that it is the first time on this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell in order to get notified when next I post any video. If you are watching this on our Facebook page, kindly click on the follow button, share the video, leave a comment, and tag others that may find this same video very much beneficial either for your revision or a build-up lesson for academic development. In today's brief tutorial, we're going to consider Biology Paper 2 using a 2024 GCE exam, where we're going to place our focus on question 1. Of course, most of the times which usually contain either specialization of cells or movement of substances. So question 1 says, figure 1 shows a generalized animal cell. When you are talking about a generalized animal cell, we're talking about a structure of an animal cell that is going to comprise of only 3 parts. And of course, we're going to have part labeled B, which is going to be the outer structure of an animal cell, which is going to be called a cell membrane. Then we're going to have, that is part labeled A, which is going to point at liquid-like structures, which can be termed as cytoplasm. Then we're going to have C, which is going to show or imply that this is a nucleus. So on A, identify the parts labeled A, B, and C in figure 1. Suppose this is an exam. It's already a win if you can answer the first 3 parts, implying like you are being able to have 3 marks just upon mentioning the correct parts which are being labeled. So for A, we have that is the cytoplasm. For B, we have that is a cell membrane. Then for C, we have that is the nucleus. Very, very important to consider in biology is that in as much as you would be correct, it would be very important that you also provide correct answers with correct spellings. Then we move on to B. Name 2 organelles present only in plant cells. An organelle is going to be a structure that's going to perform a specific function like a tiny organ. So organelles present only in plant cells is a question that is asking like what features are only present in plant cells and are not present in animal cells. Of course, here we can talk about that is the cell wall, we can talk about a mitochondrion, we can talk about a vacuole, we can talk about that is ribosomes. Those are also organelles, the endoplasmic reticulum and some others to mention. So here we're going to talk about a vacuole, we're also going to talk about a cell wall. These biologically differentiates a plant cell from an animal cell. C. Explain the function of the part labeled B. We would probably be needed to go back to how we mentioned part labeled B. So part labeled B in this instance is a cell membrane. A cell membrane is selectively permeable, which means it is the one responsible for selecting substances to enter, that is the cell, and also selecting substances to leave the cell, either before use or after use. So here we're going to say it selects substances to enter and leave the cell. Remember, this is section A. We don't have to go that detailed as if we're answering section B. D. Describe the effect on the cell in figure 1. If it was placed in hypertonic solution. When placed in hypertonic solution, we are going to find that the water would move out of the cell, causing or letting it to shrink, which means it's going to undergo cell crenation. And as a result, we're going to find that the cell is also going to reduce in size. So we're going to say when placed in hypertonic, we're going to say the cell, the water will move the cell, causing it to shrink. So when placed in hypertonic, the water will move out of the cell to balance the osmotic pressure by osmosis. So the water would move out of the cell, causing it to shrink. So these were the answers, of course, to the first question of the 2024 GCE exam under specialization of cells and movement of substances. Hoping that you find this video very much beneficial. This has been your tutor, Mr. Sensor from Sensor Academy School of Tuition. Still in the next video. For now, it's a very goodbye.